Here's a little tractor I figured I'd show everybody. 1968 case, 195. Really good condition, runs good. Hydraulic works good. This thing here is probably one of the heavier tractors I got. I mean, the fenders on this thing, I think it was like 3/16 inch steel. This is a heavy duty dude. It's got the 12 horse Kohler. It's not the original tank. Lady that I got it off of, she said that she's owned it for 4 years. And the only reason she bought it is because she thought it looked cool. She said the guy delivered it for her. And she said she never got to drive it around because the tire went flat. As soon as the guy got it off the trailer, it went flat. I did the old redneck patch job on it. I put a tube in it, and it was completely busted right there. So I just put some black silicone on there for now so the sand don't get down in the tube till I can buy me another tire. Kind of felt bad. She really liked it. She said she never got to drive it around. But she needed the money for other things. You know, my wife's really good about not griping about me buying tractors. I think out of all the tractors that I have, I think this is number 19. It's getting kind of silly. So I told her I won't buy any more tractors until I got to get her one of those metal carports like over there behind the overhang there for all my tractors. I got to buy another one of those carports to put my truck and her truck in. Really like the looks of this little thing. Got one working light. This thing is a little blast to drive around. Fun little tractor. Well, looks like it's fixing to rain. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. See ya.